Hey guys, this is your first German learning video. So today we are covering the alphabet, which is called Alphabet, das Alphabet in German. And the difference between the English alphabet and the German alphabet is the order of the letters is actually the same, but how we pronounce them is very different. Plus we have some extra letters. So actually, the pronunciation of the German alphabet is more closer to the Hindi alphabet, so that's why we can make very nice links, especially for our Indian listeners. And for example, if you just take the first letter, in English it's A, which is actually a mix of different sounds. No? It's A. It starts with A sound and it ends with E, and that's with a lot of vowels. For example, in English, in German it's just a pure vowel, like in Hindi, it's A. Just keep that in mind for the whole alphabet, because that's everywhere in German. So I will slowly say the letters for you and you can just repeat them. I'll make a small break after every letter and you can just repeat them to try to get used to it a little bit and how it sounds. I'll also make particular special videos for all the very difficult sounds, especially the ones that are hard to pronounce for Indian listeners. So let's go for it. So A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, or for Hindi speakers or Indian speakers, you can also say R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So in a fast way, that is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. So that's the German alphabet.
You can also do the singing. A, B, C, D, E, F.
We will do that in the next video.
Just try.
I don't want to sing the alphabet.
Yes, you have to sing. I saw it in a toy in German shop. So it's easier then, you can go with the rhythm. Like that's how you learn. That's how the kids learn.
We'll do it next time.
No, let's do it.
Bye. Bye.
Markus,
Bye. Bye.
you have to do.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay?